So this is what we call a running bench, and this is where we run lengths of plastic coving, moulding, all different things. So here's a couple of examples. This is what we call a mould, and we've cut round this by hand out of zinc metal to the exact shape of a mould, and we can take it from any existing covings that are up and make it on our bench. So there's our mould, which you can tell has been used quite a lot, but there's a piece of coving pre-done. Now that is brown because it's had a layer of shellac which stops the next layer sticking to it. Eventually it'll look bigger than this, but that colour. Now that is a piece that's been run with a smaller mould, been run, took off the bench and ready to be put up like the examples we showed you before. So here are a few examples of other products we can make out of plaster. Over on the side here is different ceiling roses, what would go up in the middle of your ceiling, where your light would be. We make plinths and friezes, other kinds of moulds. But look at this very carefully. Very tiny roses, flowers, what we delicately made, and we can cast off them and produce them again. Now, this piece in the middle is very interesting. It's an original piece of plasterwork from the Winter Gardens in Blackpool. And we took our students, as you can see here, we took them on a trip to the Winter Gardens, and they were allowed to go right up into the roof space, as you can see by these small pictures, and have a look at the original bits. It was getting restored, and very kindly they let us keep a bit of the original damaged plaster there, which is fantastic. This was over 100 years old, this, and they're going to make it exactly the same, remake it and stick it back up there, and hopefully it lasts longer than over the next 100 years. But we do go on trips and we have some fantastic times.